In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an affiliate program on your Payhip store. First, make sure you're logged into your Payhip dashboard. This is the main control panel for your store, where you manage your products, customers, and all your marketing tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the menu and find the option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Payhip keeps all the promotional tools that help you increase your sales. Inside the marketing section, you'll see several different tabs. Look for the one called Affiliates and click on it. This is the area where you'll manage your entire affiliate program, from inviting new partners to assigning products and commissions. On the affiliates page, you'll notice a line that says something like, "Sign up your affiliates with this link," followed by a unique URL. This link is very important. It's the link you'll give to people who want to promote your products. Copy this link and then share it wherever it makes sense for your business, on your social media accounts, on your Payhip website, in your email newsletter, or even by sending it directly to someone who has expressed interest in becoming an affiliate. When someone clicks that link, they'll be taken to a sign-up form where they can register as an affiliate. They'll be asked for details like their first and last name, email address, and a password so they can create their Payhip affiliate account. Once they've completed the sign-up process, they'll appear in your affiliates list. At this stage, they are not officially your affiliate yet. Next to their email address, you'll see a note that says, "Waiting to be approved." On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see buttons to approve or reject them. Click Approve if you want to accept them into your program, or Reject if you decide they're not a good fit. After you approve an affiliate, wait a moment for the page to reload. You'll now see an Add Product button next to that affiliate. Click on this button to assign a product and set their commission. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, click the drop-down field to select which product you want this affiliate to promote. Then, in the next field, enter the percentage of each sale that will go to the affiliate as their commission. Remember, Payhip tracks the sales, but you are responsible for actually paying your affiliates. Once you've set the product and the percentage, click Add Product, wait for it to reload, and your affiliate setup is complete.